A groundbreaking revelation by the James Webb Space Telescope has left the scientific world, and indeed the public at large, reeling with both excitement and uncertainty. The telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the cosmos, has detected what appears to be artificial illumination flickering across the surface of a planet located nearly 7 trillion miles away. This distant world is none other than Proxima Centauri b, the closest known exoplanet beyond our solar system. For decades, it has been one of the most tantalizing candidates in the search for alien life. Now, the new observations may have changed everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe. The findings have triggered a wave of speculation. Could these unusual lights be the glow of alien cities? Are they evidence of a civilization advanced enough to harness energy, illuminate its nights, and perhaps even broadcast its existence across the stars? If so, then humanity's oldest question, are we alone in the cosmos, may finally be on the verge of an answer. For generations, scientists, philosophers, and dreamers have looked to the heavens and wondered whether other intelligent beings share this vast universe with us. The stars have long been silent, and every search, from early radio listening campaigns to today's powerful telescopes, has come up empty-handed. Yet curiosity has never faded. Every possible hint of extraterrestrial activity has been greeted with both hope and skepticism. That is why the most recent signals from the James Webb Space Telescope are so astonishing. They offer what could be the most persuasive proof yet of life somewhere else in the Milky Way. When astronomers analyzed the strange glow coming from Proxima Centauri b, they noticed that it didn't behave like the usual infrared emissions from rocky planets. Instead of simply absorbing and re-emitting starlight, as most planets do, Proxima b showed signs of unusual, patterned brightness. To the untrained eye, it looked eerily similar to the glow of a sprawling metropolis seen from orbit. Could it truly be artificial light? Or was it a trick of nature, something never before encountered but still possible within the laws of physics? If the lights are real, they may represent the defining discovery that astronomers have anticipated for decades, the unmistakable signature of intelligent beings establishing their presence just beyond the boundary of our solar neighborhood. If confirmed, it would suggest that intelligent, non-human societies are not merely a possibility but a reality, quietly existing in worlds that, until now, we could not properly observe. NASA scientists have expressed both excitement and caution. Many wonder, how long have these lights been shining on Proxima Centauri b? Could they have been glowing for thousands, perhaps even millions of years, waiting patiently for human technology to catch up? It may be that we are not witnessing a sudden event, but rather stumbling upon something that has been ongoing long before humanity even learned to look at the stars. Astrophysicist David Kipping from Columbia University has described Proxima b as one of the most compelling exoplanets ever studied. Its environment is anything but ordinary. Proxima Centauri, the red dwarf star around which it orbits, is far less stable than our own Sun. It produces bursts of radiation, flares, and fluctuating heat cycles that create conditions unlike those found on typical worlds. Normally, planets simply absorb their star's energy and release it back as infrared light. Yet Proxima b defies that expectation. Its infrared fingerprint doesn't match the straightforward patterns astronomers are used to. This unusual behavior is what makes the James Webb Space Telescope so essential. Its cutting-edge infrared detectors are designed to capture faint energy emissions and thermal irregularities. The JWST can peer at Proxima b's night-facing side, detecting flickers that would escape virtually every other instrument. Where other telescopes see only darkness, Webb is able to tease out even the faintest signals of energy. If there truly are artificial lights on the planet's surface, this is the one observatory capable of finding them. The possibility raises incredible scenarios. Some scientists theorize that Proxima b's daylight hemisphere could host massive solar energy collectors, harvesting power from the nearby star. Meanwhile, the planet's permanent night side might rely on artificial lighting, vast networks of illumination spread across entire landscapes. Unlike Earth, where rotation spreads day and night evenly, Proxima b may be tidally locked, with one face always scorched by its star and the other forever in darkness. If true, civilizations there would need to adapt in ways utterly alien to us, balancing energy, survival, and technology in a world split between fire and ice. The climate of Proxima b only deepens the mystery. Without a protective atmosphere, one side would bake while the other froze in eternal night. But with an atmosphere, heat might circulate, tempering the extremes. For this reason, unraveling its atmospheric secrets is now one of astronomy's central objectives. Using JWST's precise instruments, scientists are beginning to examine Proxima b's molecular composition. If oxygen, methane, or water vapor are detected, the case for life, biological or otherwise, grows stronger. The telescope's observations are aided by timing. Proxima b completes an orbit in just 11.2 Earth days, giving astronomers a rapid cycle of day and night to study. By tracking how light passes through or reflects off the planet's atmosphere during these orbits, researchers can build a clearer picture of what's truly happening there. Still, even JWST has its limits. The telescope can only study a handful of nearby exoplanets in detail. For a definitive answer, astronomers are already looking to the next generation of instruments. The extremely large telescope, now under construction in Chile, is expected to begin operations by 2028. With a mirror over 39 meters wide, it will dwarf every optical telescope before it. The ELT will allow scientists to analyze the atmospheres of distant worlds with unprecedented precision, potentially identifying the chemical fingerprints of life itself. Other future observatories may employ massive star shades or internal coronagraphs, devices designed to block out the blinding glare of a host star, revealing the much fainter light of orbiting planets. This method is a little like shielding your eyes from the sun to spot something faint in the distance. By dimming starlight, astronomers hope to directly see the glimmers of alien worlds, even mapping their surfaces or detecting the glow of cities. But separating biological signals from geological ones remains a challenge. Methane, for example, can be produced both by living organisms and by volcanic eruptions. Unless scientists carefully account for these overlaps, false positives could mislead us into thinking we've found life where there is none. The James Webb Space Telescope, however, has already given us something remarkable: the possibility that we are witnessing not only the conditions for life, but civilization itself. Artificial light is not a natural occurrence. If these signals from Proxima b are real, they would mark the first undeniable evidence of technological behavior beyond Earth. Such a revelation would be revolutionary. The consequences would ripple through science, philosophy, religion, and geopolitics. Humanity would have to confront questions we have never truly faced. Who are they? What are their intentions? Have they noticed us in return? Since its launch in December 2021, JWST has already reshaped our understanding of the universe. It has peered back in time to reveal the earliest galaxies, studied the atmospheres of exoplanets, and exposed cosmic wonders that were once invisible. Its massive golden mirror, composed of 18 hexagonal panels, gathers the faintest light from billions of light-years away. Operating in the frigid environment of the second Lagrange point, nearly a million miles from Earth, it remains free from interference and thermal noise, allowing it to capture signals with extraordinary clarity. But nothing in its mission profile prepared us for this: the suggestion that we may be observing the lights of a distant alien civilization. If validated, the discovery would mean humanity is not unique. We would no longer be the only intelligent beings known in the cosmos. For centuries, this idea has belonged to science fiction. Now, it may be shifting into the realm of science fact. And so, the question lingers. Are these truly the signs of alien life, or are we seeing something we cannot yet explain with human knowledge? The answer may not come immediately. It may take years, even decades, of study and debate. But for the first time, the possibility is no longer hypothetical. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened a window into a reality far stranger and more profound than anything we imagined. Each signal it returns, each data packet from the cold emptiness of space, draws us closer to the truth. Perhaps Proxima Centauri b is just the first. Perhaps countless other worlds await our discovery, their civilizations hidden until we learn how to see. Humanity stands at the edge of an extraordinary frontier. And somewhere, nearly 7 trillion miles away, the faint glow of artificial light may be telling us that we are not alone.